Hey guys, well I just got a package in the mail, and one thing I got was the RWBY Volume 3 soundtrack, which is amazing because it's my favorite soundtrack out of the 4 volumes. Granted, Volume 4 doesn't have a complete soundtrack, but still. And another blind box. So, no point in delaying the inevitable. Let's get right at it. First try. Happy about that. And let's get this underway. Alright, go ahead and get that all the way down. Nice tear. And yes! My favorite character, RWBY! Yes! Oh, this makes me so happy. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love this. Yay. I don't see the scythe on her, but that's fine. That's fine. It's RWBY. It's amazing. Oh, this is great. Oh my gosh. This is just great. This is just great. And there we are. Alright. That's nice. That is very nice.